So we're at the Renaissance Festival. I see a lot of people eating turkey legs. What do they do with the rest of the turkey if they're just stealing their legs? What is this? A unicorn in the Renaissance era. Here the people are jousting. Another person eating a turkey leg that they stole and hunted from a turkey. Actually, they didn't. They just paid someone. I see some elixirs over there. They have some nice elixirs over there. We are not cavemen. No need to eat and wear animal skins these days. Another guy who caught a turkey, since he looks so nimble. This looks like the Castle of London.
Vote no on Cavemen. Or Cavemen, no.
Let's see what we have over here. People eating more pheasants. Looks like they have elixirs in here. Maybe we can poison someone's dead pheasant. More people eating dead pheasants. I wonder what they do with the rest of the bird, like the wings that are for frying, flying, not frying. He looked like a caveman. Here's more cave people eating and wearing animals that they hunted themselves. Oops, no, they paid people the factory farm. Get people doing henna tattoos as well. Jousting, wearing their chainmail body armor. That's all I'm going to show you for now, so have a good day, kind sir, like Elder Scrolls, Skyrim, and Zelda would say.
Like they completely concluded.
Watch out with that guillotine sword. But please chop up some people. I am hungry. I would like to eat and wear some humans. There's a fur. Cavemen eat and wear animals still. Bird feeders and bird eaters. People put up bird feeders but then eat them. They're talking about catching a turkey, but what do they do with all the body parts? If they just eat the legs. More of them. I'm surrounded by Neanderthals.
Oh, don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything.
She ate too many turkey legs. We have a lot of cavemen eating and wearing animals and stealing their legs.
Sheriff, I believe that's still my move, right? It's your move, right? Trying to figure out, right?
Then when we aren't with them, they do nothing.